So just about 2 years ago from today, about a month away, I put this exhaust system on my truck. Me and my dad installed it. It was a really easy install, just all bolt on. Been real satisfied with my purchase. Sounds great. It's loud when you want it to be, but quiet when you want it to be as well. Like going on the highway, you don't hear it, but you get on it and it sounds amazing. It's got a good price to it. I don't think I would change anything. All the research I put into this kit paid off very nicely. I have no complaints about it. The note sounds good at all RPMs. I also really like how the exhaust system was designed in general. So first of all, it's all stainless steel, so I don't have to worry about rusting or anything like that. And then it's also a flow-through design. So the muffler, it goes straight through, but it's got cuts in the sides of the pipe. That way it can let air into the muffler, but for the most part it just goes straight through, which is a huge increase in the flow. Like on Corsa's website, they say you can roll a pool ball from where it starts all the way out to the tip. I actually did a test when I was installing this kit. After I took everything off, went out and took it for a cruise, and on hard acceleration there is little to no difference on how loud and just about the tone of the exhaust. However, when you're cruising at a constant speed, this system is quiet, which I really like, because on the no muffler there was constant drone and it was obnoxious in the cab. But with this system I get the best of both worlds. It has the great tone, it's pretty loud. I've been complimented on it several times by bystanders, and it's quiet on the highway. I can't say enough about the exhaust system.